So Mzansi Magic has decided to bless us with an hour-long episode. At this point, I feel like Mzansi Magic does not want to end Uthando Nesthembu. Just stretches to December. Stretches to December. Anyway, why is Lwandle's storyline featured on Uthando Nesithembu not saved for Izingane? Like, I am so bored with Lwandle's storyline. I'm just amazed at his girlfriend. Why is Lwandle's girlfriend keeping? Like, kwenzakala ntoni phaya eMzumbe, and her parents are actually fine with her cohabiting just because she's pregnant? Sana shocker. Anyway, on this week's episode, we get to see Umusa sitting with Umakwela. He does ask for more children from Umakwela. He says that, Sana Umusa, he says that just because Umakwela is able to have children, he thinks that they should have more children because Makwela is able, and I'm just like, Musa, do you have to use that statement though? He goes like, ngoba wena uyakhona ukwenza abantu asibayenze, and he's like, umuzi uqiniswa ngabantu. But I'm just like, statement sokuthi just because uMakwela uyakhona ukwenza abantu. You do understand how dangerous that statement is? Because it seems like he's comparing. It seems like he's making a comparison with someone. It seems like he's implying what's khona ungakhoni, khona ungakhoni ukwenza abantu, and wena just because uyakhona ukwenza abantu asibenze. You get what I mean? And also, I'm failing to understand Musa's reasons because, like, legit, Umakwela uhlala kubo. So at this point, Umusa is saying that he wants to have children or keep on having children with Umakwela, as many as possible, whilst Umakwela hlala kubo. So uthi kahle kahle abantu bakaKhwela aba accommodate iy'ngane zabo, because now Umakwela only had one bedroom in her home. You get? Now it's not only her, it's her and her child. You get what I mean? This means now the Kwela family have to build Makwela's child a bedroom as well. Now, akuseyona ingane yodwa esizohlala lapha kaKhwela, sezizobaningi, because here is Umusa asking uMakwela to have more children. Like, Umusa vele ucabanga kanjani, knowing very well ukuthi abafazi bakhe at this point abamfuni uMakwela, and they are not willing to accept uMakwela as of now. They are not willing at all. But yena uthi no, ku-right Makwela, asiqhubeke sibe ney'ngane, abantu bakini, they will accommodate my children. Like, I'm lost. I'm lost for Umusa, because I can't plan. Like, honestly, he does not have any plan towards Umakwela. Because, guys, on just last episode, we heard Umakhumalo saying, you know what? Should Umakwela move in eMzumbe, yena nje uzodiliza indlu yakhe, uzongena nogandaganda, awisistezi sakhe siwe delelele, This implies ukuthi really Umakhumalo did contribute some money in building her house in Mzumbe, And also, it was alleged ukuthi Umusa wanted Umakwela to move into Makhumalo's house Mzumbe, and Umakhumalo uthi nje, I'm not having it. So Umusa, in asking to have more children noMakwela, I feel like he's selfish. Akamcabangeli nje kwayena uMakwela. Sana Makwela, ngicela ukuthi ungavume, because you cannot allow this man to impregnate you or keep on having children by this man, where else at the end of the day it's your family who have to accommodate those children, because this man is not willing. This man does not have a plan, and this man is broke above all. He is broke. He wants one of his wives to finance him, and which, honestly, when it comes to that part, I've said this so many times, where people are like, I'm fighting with Umakhumalo. I'm not fighting with Umakhumalo. I have absolutely nothing against Umakhumalo. If she is refusing to finance Samke's life and Samke's children, she is within her rights. She works very hard for her money. She shouldn't be asked to finance someone else, However, if she's just refusing to accept Usamke as her sister-in-law, and her reasons, really, they don't make sense, because she went to a podcast, Engineer Your Life, and she talks about how Usamke should have never been involved with Umusa in the first place, because Usamke should have viewed Umusa as brother-in-law wakhe, since brother-in-law wendawo. And I'm just like, Makhumalo, bandla nawe waqoma indoda yasendaweni eshadile. And I do feel like honestly, I do feel one of the reasons why Umacele left Umzumbe and had her own house Esipak, it's because of Makhumalo's situation. Of course, I'm not blaming Makhumalo here. I'm definitely blaming Umusa. But I do feel like it's because of that situation. Because, guys, it's one thing to find out your man is cheating on you. It's another to find out your man is actually cheating on you. Because that's how Uthobile was, okay? Umacele knew of Uthobile because Uthobile was more like a neighbor to them and knew this is a child, right? And then Uthobile also knew of Umacele or knew of Umusa, that Umusa is a married man, okanwe Umacele. But she did not have a problem, guys. No ways, guys. There is no way, okay? And Umacele at some point, she felt embarrassed, and I can understand her. I can completely understand her why she felt embarrassed, because your man is legit embarrassing you. Chola next door, where's we are Ganwa foods next door. If Umacele was then be like, you know what, I can't stay in Mzumbe anymore. I need my own place away from whatever that you are doing. I understand her. I 100% understand her. Okay. But my point now is, years later, the same thing that Umacele experienced with Uthobile, Thobile is now experiencing it with Umakwela. But now it is this big, huge deal. It's wrong in so many ways and in so many levels. And Uthobile just does not want to accept it at all. And for me, I'm just like, Thobile, in no ways. Just because you are successful, we mustn't question your character because we have fans online who just gonna come for you. No ways. We have to question your character. You are very much wrong for refusing to accept Ugut Umakwela is your sister-in-law. Just to accept that. You are wrong for even feeling like Umusa Umakwela shouldn't be involved in the first place. It's wrong because you were involved with Umusa now yourself. What else? Umusa kwakwindoda eshadile yasendaweni nawe uwasendaweni umfazi wakhe uganile khona la endaweni. It was just a very, very, very messy situation, and I really don't blame Umacele for leaving Umzumbe if that's the reason that made her to leave Umzumbe. I don't blame it, okay? And of course, I'm not putting all this on Thobile's shoulders. No, definitely it was not her fault. Why esheliwe naye njengoba Umakwela naye esheliwe. So as much as I'm blame uThobile for qoma indoda yasendaweni eshadile, because we it's fine wawusheliwe nawe ile ndoda. Why manje mele siblame Umakwela? Why Umakwela mele simenze umuntu omubi? No, Umakwela naye usheliwe wathanda. That is on that, okay? But yeah, guys, kumesi on uthando nesithembu, and I do sometimes feel like the reason it's this messy is because of Musa. Umusa wenza izinto zibe messy within his house. And the things that he discusses with Umakwela, wanting to have more children. I don't know if he feels like it's appropriate to want to have more children with Umakwela, considering that Umakwela is not yet fully, or is not even accepted by all the other wives, all the other three except Umakwela. And really, what is his plan, Ngumakwela? He just plans to just keep on having babies with her. That's because Umakwela at this point does not even have a place to stay with her children. On the other episode, we heard Umakwela does not have a car. So now Umakwela must go to Texas with not one but two children. Umusa selfish. I don't understand his reasoning behind this. But Kesana Umakwela, I don't know whether should I say she's young or she's just naive. I don't know, guys. There is one thing about a woman in love, she will be naive. That's one thing for sure. So I do feel like Umakwela is extremely naive at this point. But yeah, those who know love or those who have experienced love, they do say, it does make you naive, okay? It makes the fool out of you. It makes the fool out of you. So I'm like, probably uthando lolu luyahlanyisana lwenzana isilima nje, you can never know, you can never win with love. But yeah, I would be very disappointed if Makwela were to agree to be impregnated by Umusa or to agree to carry another child by Umusa Mseleko. I would be heavily disappointed on Umakwela, because I would be like, njani ke ngoku? Why? This man definitely does not deserve to have children by you, or else you don't have a place to stay, you don't have a car, like you're supposed to be on taxis with his 2 children. This is bad. Guys, Uthando Nesithembu have an 1 hour special for us. It's gonna start at 7:30 to 8:30, because it is ending this week. Of course, I am so sad ukuthi umzombe uyasi shia. Now, Uma Khumalo had an interview with Engineer Your Life this week. I must say that I did not watch the interview. Like, I did not watch it on YouTube, because I told myself that, listen, there is nothing this girl is going to give us. She have a whole reality TV show. If there is anything that she wants to give us, she will give us in her reality TV show. For the near fact that she didn't, it means really watching an interview is a waste of time. But one of the clips that I saw on TikTok was her explaining why she is finding it difficult to accept Umakwela. In her own words, she says that, according to her, Umusa Mthombeni should be viewed as Usibari Wendawo in her village, because like Usibari, considering Uguti, he has married someone in that village, okay? And Utinje, really, it does not sit well with her. Uguti Usamke can be able to oma or to date Usbarwake, which honestly I feel like on a point. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like on a point, as someone who's from the villages myself, ngifila engathi on a point. However, baby girl, nawe waqoma indoda eshadile, you get, and from, even though when Umakwela we are not from the same village, but okusalayo, you knew Umakwela, and because now Umakwela usehlale eMzumbe, you get guys ukuthi mawuyokwenda uba owalapho, like, so the minute Umakwela eyokwenda eMzumbe, she also became a local eMzumbe. But uThobile also disregarded that and waqoma indoda eshadile yakamakhelwane, and as kahle ukuthi le ndoda iganiwe futhi iganwe umabane. I don't know if I'm making sense. But I feel like uThobile's explanation yokuthi why enenkinga noMakwela to me was weak, and it's one of the reasons why I did not watch the interview. I just did not bother myself. I was just like, girl, please, unless you are ready to come on social media or to ask the viewers of Uthando Nesithembu and tell us the real problem that you have with Umakwela, until then, we're not going to watch. Like, we are not going to watch, because we watch you for so many seasons, not having a problem with number 5. But the minute number 5 eba khona, jigi sunenkinga, and the reason yakho bandla is very work, a week. I wish you would have said Umthombeni wants you to financially support Umakwela, because these are things that now we are also assuming. We're just like, why uThobile enenkinga noMakwela? What is happening? But uThobile, when she's going on interviews, she does not say, no, the reason I have a problem with Umakwela, it's because Umthombeni wants me to financially provide for Umakwela. So if Umthombeni does not want uThobile to financially provide for Umakwela, why Thobile nenkinga noMakwela? Thobile will state a very weak reason. Baby girl, you married a married man from the same village. You and this married man are from the same village. You knew his wife, and you never even thought ukuthi hayibona, how will umfazi galo muntu feel when she actually find out ukuthi indoda yakhe eqonywe ingane yakwamakhelwane. No, it didn't bother you. And for some reason uSamke mele ecabanga ukuthi umusa usibari wakhe. I know kahle angeke emakhumalo udlala ngathi. When you are ready to tell us the real issue here, or the real reason we have an issue with Usamke, perhaps we'll be able to listen. However, also, I do feel like Umangwabe and Umakhumalo on season 1, they explained ukuthi they were friends. You know, they were friends whilst they were still dating Umusamselegu. So they form a friendship whilst Bonaboitu besasa my girlfriends, right? So when they mangabe sebeshada, it was easier for them, you know. So I feel like really feeling yokulanywa, you know, abakwazi really be experience considering a friendship yabo that formed very early, you know, when they just started to know each other, they were already forming a friendship. So I feel like it's only now whereby by experience a shame bandla no kahle ukulanywa akuyona into emnandi. And it's sad because Umacele has experienced this like many years ago. That's why Umacele is more relaxed and chilled back this time around and be like, kade vela siqala isitimela kade ayengilethela isitimela, so vele isitimela sikhona, so nje akusizi ukuthi esinqamule manje isitimela, because vele kade nkosi yami umntana abantu Umacele experience pain yokulanywa. And I feel like really with uThobile and uMangwabe, it's sad because bona they are now public figures, you know. We watch them, we love their reality TV show, and we get to sympathize with them. But by the time Umacele elanywa wayengayona public figure, but I'm sure ukuthi abantu ababemaziyo ama-locals asemzumbe nama-locals akubo ayemzwela ukuthi awushame nkosi yami, you know, poor wife unendoda eganwayo, indoda yesithembu njalo nje ihlezi imlethela abafazi. You get what I mean? So yeah guys, that was Makhumalo's explanation. According to me, very weak Sana, very weak. Meanwhile, Sana Umthombeni still maintains his statement ukuthi no, the only thing he wants from Usamke ukuthi nje Usamke abe baby maker. Abe baby maker, abe busy girl baking babies every year. Yeah, Sana, very sad ukuthi Umthombeni, you know, ivelu kaSamke ukuthi enza abantwana. I mean, that's the only thing he sees kuSamke ukuthi nje ezomenzela abantwana. Nothing else, okay? And I mean, there have been rumors spreading about Usamke having been pregnant with baby number 2, but of course we've been watching the show, all of us, and those rumors have not been confirmed. Yes, the show is ending this week. So, I don't know, guys. Like, I'm going to give them, obviously, this last 2 episodes to announce if Usamke indeed is with a child, you know, is pregnant with baby number 2. What if Usamke ugene weight, guys? Usamke happy. You know, when you're happy, you know, happy girl, because happiness is ring. Why are we all assuming this means baby number 2 is on the way? Why are we having such assumptions? Baby number 2 on the way. Meanwhile, we have the Yeni sisters. So it seems like abantu Yeni requested ukubona Umusa. And for some reason, the topic Yogutu Umayeni should have been the first wife was brought up. And I mean, remember that from season 1, it was explained that Umayeni was initially the first girlfriend Gamusa, and she also became the first baby mama, right? Because Umpumelelo is older than all the other children except Usne. I mean, we never know about Umagasne. Would see really when Umagasne Benosne with Musa and Sne's mom, when they were dating, they were just dating, you know, there were never any intention for marriage. We don't know, you know. However, Umusa here does say no. There was another girl, you know, whom his grandmother was fighting hard ukuthi Umusa and this girl should end up together. Okay, so initially Umacele was never gonna be our mamkhulu. Umacele became our mamkhulu by chance. This is according to Umusa, because his grandmom really wanted someone else to be umamkhulu. But also Umacele has explained ukuthi she does not know Musa's grandmother, right? Because she says by the time that she got married, Musa's grandmother have already passed, so she never got a chance to meet Musa's grandmommy. So yeah, guys, kuninzi. When it comes to Umzumbe, we can never cover the whole story. But yeah, one thing that annoys me is Lwandle's story. Like, why do they have Lwandle's storyline? Why do we have Lwandle? I mean, can't we save that content for Izingane? Can't we save that content for Izingane? Like, I am so mad at the fact that Uthando Nothembu is giving us Lwandle's content right now. Like, Sana, we need the real drama, not Lwandle. Oh,